guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you all how I make coconut milk at home. So guys, this is the coconut I will be using. The next step is to break the coconut open just like this. So now I will try to separate the coconut, is it flesh, from the shell. Yeah, so I'm going to be using this big knife. Please be careful not to hurt your fingers while trying to separate it.
You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate.
So now I will try to peel off the back of the coconut so that when I blend it, the milk comes out very white. I learned some people actually blend it like that without peeling off the skin, where it is a matter of choice.
Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping it low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me.
So nice, all peeled. The next step is to wash it in water. Then dice them into tiny bits for easy blending.
She love the bad thing, she hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we standing. Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me.
So my coconut is all diced and ready to go into the blender.
She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man.
So now I'm going to add in some water up to the level of where the coconut is. So now I finished blending it. The next step is to sieve it with a strainer or a sieving cloth, just like this. Now squeeze out the coconut juice, which is the milk. So what I did here is I washed my sieve and strained the milk again, so the leftover particles will go out. So this is the final result. This is my coconut milk. It can be stored for 2 to 3 days in your refrigerator. I'm going to cook mine with coconut rice. This is the remaining chaff. Some people use it for stuff like cookies and others. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.